Christmas time is a classic time for falling in love. Think about it. Twinkly lights, secret Santas, snuggling up to somebody special while watching Love Actually. Just make sure it's not with your ex-boyfriend or ex-girlfriend that you dumped back in August, just before coming here to APU. Not only will your current APU cougar companion get all jealousy and upset, but you're setting yourself up for an awkward summer back home. But if you really are worried about spending the holidays alone, just remember, you've got the sweet baby Jesus in your heart to keep you warm. And everybody loves babies. Happy holidays.
You're in town, later on we'll conspire